Hello everyone, today we're going to be showing you a day in the life of an equestrian. Let's begin. Everyone loves to start the day with a bowl of cereal. Here I had some Cheerios. It was really icy earlier on in the week. Here are some pictures I got. Me and my family tacked up the ponies and we all went on a hack. One of our ponies had a scratch that he really enjoyed. We found some fairy doors and windows. Then when we got back, we untacked the ponies, gave them a brush over, we untacked ourselves, then went to get some feed for the horses and the dogs. I had a quick look in the shop's tack room and got some clips. We also found a very chatty parrot.
Hello. How are you? Are you good? Hello. 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 Hello.
Here was the dog feed we got. After that we went pooping. We do this twice a day. At the end of the day I had a glass of lemonade. Thank you for watching.